Cruising with classic cars and hot rods at Mecum Auction. Coming up next is lot S215, a 1969 blue Chevy Camaro SS.
I tell you what, Cruising Crew, I'm getting a kind of a soft spot for these 1969 Chevy Camaro SS 350. This is just incredible. Take a look at the paint on here, just beautiful. Beautifully accented with the proper striping and beautiful white top, white houndstooth interior, just incredible. Floor shifter, center console. Ah, man, somebody's gonna have a beautiful, beautiful ride after tomorrow. This is up on Saturday.